let's start, shall we? Special thanks to Krautkin71 and DennisLarRo3957 for the suggestion of Alan Schaller. Probably I spent a huge part of these 2 weeks watching Alan Schaller's videos. He's a huge master of street photography, portrait photography, fashion photography, photography in general. And he got this, London-ish sense of humor, his style of just even the pronunciation, every single joke, the way how he edits his videos. I believe it's not him, he got some team probably. The way his videos are shot, the way his videos are edited, it's just great. And in terms of photography, he is a monochrome master. He takes street photos like they belong in a museum. Always black and white, dramatic light, deep shadows, you know what I mean. And he uses the contrast like a paintbrush. And the best part, at least for me, his channel is 99% about how to feel and how to see, and just 1% about the gear. He's not here to tempt you into buying some crazy expensive camera. He's all about teaching you the fundamentals so you can use the camera you already own to take amazing shots. He gives you the cheat codes for amazing compositions. He has whole videos dedicated to subjects like negative space. Alan shows you how to use emptiness in your frame to make your main subject pop right out of the frame. Plus, he breaks down his signature moves, masterfully using reflections and hunting for perfect silhouettes. And honestly, he's just fun to listen to. Opposite to his stuffy photo gurus who talk like they're giving a serious academic lecture. And again, Alan's got a great sense of humor and makes the photo learning process feel like a chill photo walk. The photo walk with a ridiculously talented body. Go subscribe to him. Next, I want to thank you, doggychunks, for the suggestion of AOWS channel, Art of Weekly Stories. And this channel is for photographers who are tired to sitting at a desk watching endless software tutorials. The vibe here is pure inspiration and immersive process. Adrian is all about landscape photography, black and white landscape photography, minimal landscape photography, about the living on the road in his car. And his approach is not so common, but it's interesting. Actually, I find his videos so strange and so beautiful, and actually the main issue and the main interest for me is that his videos are amazingly beautiful. He shows up at beautiful locations in beautiful conditions, and he walks by amazing landscapes, and he taken a shot which is black and white. Why? I don't know, but it's interesting to watch, and I do recommend you to check out his channel. I want to say thank you to Patty Connolly8823 for the suggestion of Jill Kreslavsky's channel. If you're a photographer who loves think deep, like really deep, about what makes a photo last forever, Jill Kreslavsky is your essential viewing. Jill is not here to show you some quick editing trick. He's here to make you understand why a photo actually works, conceptually and emotionally. He dedicates whole videos to analyzing the masters, breaking down why a certain iconic photo by Henry Cartier-Bresson or Kudelka still hits us hard decades later. His channel is perfect if you are totally bored with just taking a pretty picture and you want to start taking shots, creating images that actually have meaning to tell a serious, complex human story. He forces you to stop and ask the most important question: what am I truly trying to say with this photo? If you are looking for a serious conversation about the philosophy of photography and you want to learn how to move from snapshots to a lasting, important body of work, This channel is basically a free world-class university course in conceptual art. Highly recommended. I don't know how to pronounce it. Thanks to HillDiges for the suggestion of steel O9s. This channel is also for photographers who appreciate the slow, deliberate process of film photography. Steve is your guide to get back to the basics and focusing on essential elements of an image: light, composition and feeling. His main focus is on landscapes and fine art photography, often capturing a moody scenery of Wales and the Lake District. He doesn't just shoot 35mm. You see him shooting outdoors and demonstrating how to find compelling compositions even in a dull, flat weather. He is sharing his joy of using some simple, sometimes bad cameras, like toy cameras, to achieve unique results. So, if you are a fan of analog photography, love the quiet, solitary process of landscape shooting, as I do, and want to learn how to create timeless images rather than chasing fleeting trends, this channel will be a consistent source of inspiration. Despite the fact I personally do not share his love to this analog-ish old-time style of photography, I can see the beauty of images. It's just amazing. It's totally not my style, but I can see the beauty of his works. Check his channel. It's time to share some new names with you. I mean, new names for me. Probably you are already following with masters. And first is Kotajarvi. I hope I pronounced it in a correct way. Probably I can say that Kyle is a vibe photographer. He's a talented filmmaker and his videos are just amazingly beautiful. And his channel is a perfect place to go if you're tired of seeing photos that look totally flat or have that fake over-edited feel. Kyle doesn't just want to capture a beautiful scene, he wants to capture a feeling, or at least I can see it from his videos. So, in my opinion, he tries to capture a mood, the emotion, the soul of the moment. That means his work is all about authenticity. And once again, his videos themselves are super high quality. They are just cinematic. And he doesn't just teach you which button to push. He teaches how to build a mood, how to use light and color to make the viewer feel something deep in their gut. And if you want to stop taking boring, surface-level pictures and start creating photos that look deep, meaningful and cinematic, check out Kyle. He is a great master. Highly recommended. Especially if you watch YouTube on the TV. And last but not least channel I want to mention today is Dalton's. This channel is a fantastic source of inspiration for anyone who loves cinematic travel and lifestyle photography and dreams to turn his hobby or that passion into a viable career. Sean is a master of capturing these specific lifestyle moments, and his videos are a perfect blend of artistic inspiration and practical application. Sean's core strength is showing you how to live the travel photographer's lifestyle. You'll find beautiful video essays on shooting techniques and editing, and some lessons for beginners like an exposure triangle and so on. But these are frequently with essential real-world advice on commercialization your work. He provides the specific, non-glamorous business blueprints that most creators skip. So if you want a channel that will inspire you to pack your bags and shoot beautiful travel content, and you need the concrete steps to make sure those adventures actually pay for themselves, Sean's channel is an ideal destination. So you have to check out his channel. And again, Thank you very much for all your comments. Please suggest some new channels that you want me to review, and thank you very much for watching and for all your comments. I really do appreciate them. And if you find this video at least a bit entertaining, you know what to do. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.